go. You're gonna relax right there.
Oh, it's like all the way down to here.
Okay. That's
Normally, it's not. It goes like
no, it stays
to right here.
You felt about right there, then out. Oh yeah, it's already gonna go. One more. Jesus. I got you. Relax right there.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh.
You just perfect.
Do you have any pressure or anything up in the head?
Nope.
No?
None.
Feel okay?
Yeah.
Look down for me. How about all the way up? Sweet.
Yeah, nothing. Wow.
Headache be damned.
Yeah.
Let's get you out of here.
That thing was crazy.
Cool.
Yeah, thanks.
Yeah.